Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a pen. This is the Right Choice Titanium Click Pen. And there's two reasons why I wanted to check this out. One, I happened to notice that the website that sells them, and I'll include a link in the description below where you can find it, they were running a half price off sale. And normally this pen's 90 bucks. And it was half price, so it was 45 bucks. And you know, sometimes it's one of those things where it's like it'd almost be like wasting the money to not buy it. The other thing is this pen is made of titanium. It's a titanium clicky pen, and it takes G2 refills. So let me open this thing up and we'll take a look at it. So this is the pen itself. And so I guess the critical part of any clicky pen is, first of all, the clicky part. That's actually pretty smooth. Very nice. So the clicky part of the clicky pen is pretty nice. And this is the Right Choice Click Pen. Huh. My little refills are dying. I wonder what's up with that. Let's check it out. So, oops, normal G2 refill, and I don't know what's going on with the refill there. It's kind of strange. Let me see. Is it just the refill acting up? Huh. That is peculiar. I don't think I've ever had like a G2 refill just randomly die on me. Alright, well, aside from that little issue, it pretty much writes like a G2 because it's a G2 refill. The pen itself, though, is it's like, it feels nicely put together. The weight's really good. I like the weight of it. I don't quite get why the refill stops writing. But again, it's not the pen's fault about the refill. So, I guess we can also... This is one of those pens where it's machined, and if you are so inclined, you can swap out the clip and stuff as well. The website has a number of different clip options, and so you can remove the clip if you want, if you just don't want a clip on it. Like you don't want a pocket clip. Pretty nifty pen. It has a nice weight to it. And aside from just the arbitrary failure of my refill, I have that lined up right. I feel like I don't. I knew I didn't have it lined up right. There you go. That's lined up right. So that's one thing you do have to watch out for when you're screwing this thing back on. There we go. That lines up right. Alright. Nice pen, bad refill. I don't think I have a G2 refill. I don't think I have a G2 pen within reach. Huh. Anyway. That's weird. Alright. Aside from the bad refill, not bad at all. I like the pen. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.